Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisperer of Jesus. Here's a nature video. Little eagle hunting for rabbits. It's cruising around. Sorry I haven't posted any videos for a few weeks. I'll hopefully post a prophetic dream tomorrow. Where'd that eagle go? There it is. Come on camera, focus. This eagle's doing the real cruise around. Almost done a 360 now. Just cruising around looking for rabbits. I'm probably gonna lose him, no. He's gonna land, is he? Yes, he is. Can I see him? Okay, there's a branch in the way. I might go down there and make a video. He is hiding in the tree, somewhere just in there. Okay, I shall return.